Welcome to WishTRAVELS. What is Cleanmycoach.com? Cleanmycoach is an initiative launched by the Indian Railways to provide a clean and hygienic travel experience to its passengers. Under this initiative, the railway coaches are regularly cleaned and sanitized by a team of cleaning staff. Passengers can request for clean bedding, toilet, or coach during their train journey. Passengers can send a text message to a designated phone number or use the Cleanmycoach app to make a request. To use the Cleanmycoach service by Indian Railways through SMS, follow the given steps. 1. Type clean less than 10-digit PNR number greater than, and send it to 58888. 2. You will receive a confirmation message with your coach and berth number. 3. An attendant will come to clean your coach as per your request. Note: this service is subject to availability and only works for Indian Railways passengers with confirmed tickets. The initiative was launched in 2016, with the aim of improving the cleanliness standards of the railway coaches. Initially, the service was launched on a pilot basis, targeting select trains and stations. However, due to its success and positive response from the passengers, the service was eventually introduced on a larger scale. The Cleanmycoach service is free of cost and available to all passengers traveling on Indian Railways. Passengers can request the cleaning staff to clean their coach anytime during the journey. The cleaning staff will provide the service according to the passenger's convenience, ensuring that there is minimum disturbance to their travel. Furthermore, the initiative has also provided employment opportunities for many people. As of 2021, the Cleanmycoach service provides employment to over 40,000 cleaning staff, who work tirelessly to ensure that the railway coaches are clean and hygienic for the passengers. Overall, the Cleanmycoach initiative by Indian Railways has been a significant step towards improving the cleanliness and hygiene standards in railway coaches, providing a better travel experience for passengers. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos and do check out other videos in this channel. Thank you. See you soon.